Alright, this is an update. Hello. I tried to do this test earlier. It was on for a while earlier, and I guess I did it too early. This is the wattage it used for my AC unit. 440 watts. It does less. And this is the time remaining. I would not do it like this. This would be ridiculous. I could have power feeding into it, but this is just to play around with. I want to turn it. That's on low. Turn it up high. There you go. This is how long it would last. Probably get 2 hours out of it. But if you had power going in, like two sources of energies, you could prolong it and make it last for 4 hours. I'm sorry, my hands are tired. I'm going to show you what you need. It's good time. Yes, it can power the AC unit. I wouldn't do it like this, but decided to. Thank you for watching. God bless.